Shenzhen Ref and Color Technology Company Limited is an independent manufacturing company. We specialize in sustainably developed digital printing machines such as UV printer, DTG printer, mobile app printers, and developing IoT printing solution for industry. Our team is made up of IT department, software developer, engineers, designers, and after-sales technicians. Providing print solution and bringing our clients' colorful vision to life is our team's passion. For us, it's fundamental to be involved in the production of high-quality printing equipment. We have powerful R&D and after-sale team which provides you tech service in timely. Our products have passed the European CE, FCC, RoHS certification, CCC certificate. We promise buyers are able to running Ref and Color's printers successful in 1 hour. Ref and Color mobile app printers support Wi-Fi and online customized business. This is new printing idea. Looking for an exclusive agent in your country. Since 2020, we focus on IoT technology developing. This technology applicated successful on phone cases, t-shirts and golf balls, gold films. Ref and Color focus on make printing process be easy. In 2021, we built a new brand, Color Park, which specialized in vending machines and are mainly for customized phone cases, golf balls, and t-shirts DIY. In 2023, we moved to the new factory in Dongguan City. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. We look forward to developing long-lasting and successful business partnerships.